Hi. Oh, no. I don't want that. Oh, you're so sweet. I've never had a kitty give me a burger. You're so kind. No, I don't want it. No. No, here. You take it. He's your bird. Please.
What are you doing? Kiwi! Come inside.
When a cat turns into a tiny messenger, bringing home a flower on 4 paws?
Hey, what have we got? On toy thing.
Knock knock, Mom! Dinner is served, with whiskers attached.
Did you bring me $1? You're so sweet. Sorry, Nanny.
Some call it odd, but for this cat, it's normal, chilling with a deer.
Bring it here. Bring it here. Leave. Oh my God.
Forget silverware sets. This black cat delivers forks one at a time.
Is that a fucking fish? Dude, where the f did you get a goldfish? What the f?
The kitten said, Mom, 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 wake for me.
Thank you. Thank you for that gift.
Oh, thank you, baby. You're so clever, girl. Look what you brought. I'm so proud. You good huntress that you are.
Mom, I brought an apron. Translation, you cook, I eat.
What you doing there, Scamp? What you got?
Hi, baby. Oh, is that a sock?
Yeah. Oh, thank you so much for this sock cotton.
Who ordered a mouse taxi? Free ride, paid in cheese.
आप मेरे लिए गिफ्ट लेके आ गए फिर से? हाँ? अब बहुत गिफ्ट लाते हैं? क्या हुआ फ्लफी?
Mom, look what I brought for you.
Hari ini dia bagi saya hadiah. Semalam dia bawa cicak. Hari ini dia bawa... Ayo Allah, tanah besar.
When a cat decides anything can be treasure, it'll proudly bring it home.
What did you kill? Why are you yowling at me? Okay. You brought in a sock. Good boy. You brought me a dead sock. So good. And some more socks. And my sister's clothes. Good job.
She braced for roses, maybe candy, but her cat proudly delivered a mouse.
What are you bringing me? Oh no.
Monkey, where have you been? Ask me that. What is a scratch card? Oh, tenner. Monkey!
Recycling team at work, one foam piece at a time.
Little one, what did you bring me today. What's this? Thank you. Thank you very much.
A green pillow carried with care, because luxury feels better on tiny paws. Mom, don't blush, but your underwear's now a gift.
Abba! Please drop it! Please, please, please! Abba! Ah! Ah! Get it down! Get it down! It's just a baby! Oh my god, it's a baby! Abba, wait, stop! It's alive! It's alive! Let it live! Abba! Oh, stop! It's a baby!
Skip the roses and jewelry. Mom gets a glittery scrunchie from this furry stylist.
No. That's for you. That's not for me. Oh my gosh.
Don't worry, Mom. Cat laundry is here. Your clothes are upstairs.
You brought me your mousey? Good boy.
Grapes for Mom, healthy snack, courtesy of your personal cat butler.
Cloverbell, will you give that to me, please? Will you drop it in this bucket?
Sausage, what's up? Oh! Wow, you brought a big leaf. What a good girl.
Forget delivery apps. This cat brings home fresh fish on 4 paws.
Switching up, size. What do you have? Drop it.
What did you bring? Blue? What is that? Oh my god, no! No! Let it go, Blue. Oh my god.
Look, Mom, I brought home treasure.
Oh, what do you have? Oh, you brought me your stick? Thank you. Thank you, baby.
Ta-da! I brought you a chestnut.
Oh, hi, bud. You brought some more mail?
When the cat shows love to its mother by bringing her that toy every night,
What'd you get for me? Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you. That's so nice of you. Like a boy.
No. Thank you so much, buddy. Thank you for my present. I love it. That's a good present.
Mom, I brought you this, but my grumpy face says no refunds.
Thank you so much. You're so sweet. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope this tender moment brought a smile to your day. Wishing you good health, peace, and the joy of always having a little companion by your side. If this moment touched your heart, please like, comment, and follow the channel for more sweet stories to come.